The Oregon State Police had to return the money and belongings of lifelong cannabis liberation activist Dana Beal. The fruit of a false pot arrest, they had to return all his property 3 years later. Ride along with Dana, helped by Portland, Oregon activist and entrepreneur Paul Stanford as they make the appointment for the property release. To get property returned, you must bring their letter with you for a scheduled meeting at the State Police Outpost.
Around front, I hit this number and we'll be ready to go.
You arrive and call the property clerk to be met at the door. Due to the COVID-19 epidemic, they only allowed one person into the building. Dana has also had cash returned by the Nevada State Police. Save the property bags to see if they were ever checked out and searched. In this haul we got 2 smartphones, thumb drives, and a $1,500 check. Dana and his driver were stopped and taken to a parking garage, then put through a strange process where the valuables were stolen with no booking, photography, or fingerprinting ever done. It was a highway robbery. Then he was dropped off back at the car. No charges. This happens nationwide. This kind of policing must be resisted. If you ever had cash, devices, or valuables taken from you in a sketchy false pot arrest when in a legal pot state, you may be entitled to get your property returned. Only if you fight back. Subscribe and follow nopotdui.org, and visit the post for this video.